Hello everyone, welcome to Keto Living. So today I was going to do DIY. However, I did not get to that over the weekend. As you know, I was sick Friday and most of all day Saturday, and so I didn't get a whole lot done. Anyway, so I'm going to share a haul with you, which is cool too, right? And I did find some new things, and so I was really excited about that. And so I'm just going to show you. I don't know if y'all want to see what I buy personally, but I thought I'd show you. Picked up another bag of my filled a little grain-free dog food and some dog treats made in the USA, no corn and stuff. Picked up some combs because I needed one. I actually picked up a couple of these shower things because, you know, after a while they get grungy in your bathroom, so I wanted some new ones. You gotta make it look right, right? And then I just picked up these cute little headbands. That was really cute. And picked up some oregano and some asparagus and some green beans. They're all name brands, so I feel comfortable with those. And then I picked up a Colgate toothbrush. I needed a new one of those. I picked up some Dawn. Now, typically I don't use anything in my house except for my On Guard cleanser. But I picked this up for the laundry room because I do have a couple of things that have some yucky stains on them. And this will take it out every time. I don't know why. And I picked up TP. And I picked up a couple of these baskets right here to help me do some organization. So, that's the boring part of my haul. Excuse me. I'm still trying to get on track here. I don't know what's wrong with me. I still don't feel 100% yet, but I'm getting there. So, now, here comes the big bag. So, first of all, I picked up these pens. You know, every once in a while they'll have the extra value pack or whatever. So I love these RSVP ballpoint pens. I think they write so well. They're smooth lines, they don't skip, and these were fine. And then it comes with a Pentec Click and Go. So I thought that was good. These are Pentels. So I really like those. And I like the Dollar Tree version too, but these are really fine line and I really like those. So the next thing I got, I will not be playing with, and neither will my kiddos. I got them, let's see if I got any more down there. Nope. I got them for a specific thing. I'm going to be doing a DIY with this Tumbling Tower game, the little wooden pieces here. I am putting together for a fall swap with Gareth, who's created Homogy. Y'all go over and give him some YouTube love. And my swap partner is Nancy Hudgens. And so she has already sent me mine, and I'm going to be doing a video of that shortly. But she sent it early, so I'm not late. But they're all the little wooden pieces, and I am going to be gluing them together to create something. So, yes, I got those. And then this, I found at the register. I just thought it was incredibly cute. It's a tape dispenser. It looks like a flamingo. I just thought it was really cute. I thought it would liven up my desk in my bedroom a little bit. There's something sticky on here, and I don't know what it is. But I don't have anything sticky in there. But anyway, unless I got something on my hands. This is what it looks like. Isn't that adorable? Very cute. So I did pick that up. I think it's on that box. Yep. Then I picked up a little Hatchimal puzzle for my kiddos. And let's see. In the art supplies, I found something new. Never have seen these before. I could not tell you how good they are, but we're going to find out. But it's glitter glue, and it's by Rich Art. And this is not a Greenbrier Dollar Tree product. It's made in the USA. It says shake well before use. the perfect craft glitter glue for arts and crafts, posters, school projects, used on most papers and porous craft surfaces. Easy cleanup with soap and water. Anyway, it's called, it's made by Rich Art. And so they had different colors. I got purple, and then they have one in royal blue, and this really is a pretty color. And then they have one in this ice yellow is what they call it. Hope these aren't leaking. And then I have, oh, I found the leak, I think. Yep. It's on this ice mint green. Yuck. Well, anyway, that's what it looks like. It does sparkly. It looks like somebody might have loosened the cap. No, it's not from this one. I guess another one leaked, or somebody might have loosened the cap on this one. Yep. Anyway, to test it out, and I picked it up, of course. That's okay. We will wipe it off. And then I have one that says Ice Baby Pink. Isn't that pretty? And then this one is Ice Red. I guess they're all ice. Ice purple, ice red, ice royal blue, pink, and anyway. So we'll play with these one night on Thursday Night Live when we get together and craft. We'll just play with these and see what they look like. So then, you guys know that I started working on an Alice in Wonderland project, a book, whatever. Well, one thing that I found out from this book from the Dollar Tree, and I did pick up another one, is that the pages are very flimsy. Very flimsy, and they tend to tear real easily. So I went ahead and picked up another book so that I could glue the pages together. Well, actually, I picked up 3 of them because I'm going to send one to somebody. And then I went back, and remember when I hauled these stickers last week? I went back and got another one because of that. I know, silly, huh? But, so I sort of blew my Dollar Tree budget for the rest of the month, so you'll have DIYs for the rest of the month, unless something earth-shattering comes about, and my manager said she'll have it for me anyway, so. And then I picked up another fairy door. This is for one of my friends here on YouTube. We were talking last night on Carmen's Live, and she was wanting one, and I told her I'd pick her up one because she couldn't find it. I picked up some more of these snap envelopes. These are really nice. I'm enjoying putting my journal stuff in them. And then I picked up a Morning Starter. They were called Brain Bites at once upon a time, but now they're called Morning Starters, an educational workbook. I picked this up for my 4-year-old who finished her preschool book and is ready for kindergarten. And she still has a preschool curriculum. These are just fun little things that we do in the morning to get our minds working and focusing. Then I picked up Tom and Jerry coloring book. I love Tom and Jerry. And I already have one of these. But I picked this up from my friend who knows who they love, Tom and Jerry, and she knows who she is if she watches my haul. And then I went back and picked up another one of these. They only had one, guys. I looked all over that store. I went through every single book in the thing. And I actually went to 2 stores. 2 out of my other stores. And then we just called the rest of them. And the rest of them didn't have them either. But I was able to find one more. And the person getting this knows who it is. So, and then... So they didn't have any more of those. And like I said, I was really disappointed. But while I was digging through all the books and stuff, I found a box. And in that box were some more Alice coloring books. Not this one, but this one. Check it out. Is that not beautiful? Alice in Wonderland, a Curiouser coloring book. And this is more like an actual coloring book. The price on it is $13.95. I did pick up I picked up 3 of them because that's all they had left. They had this one, and in the box mixed together they had Alice in Wonderland. They had Wizard of Oz and Beauty and the Beast. And I decided just to pick up Alice. But this is what this one looks like. It doesn't have anything on the front cover like the other one. It does have, whoops. It does have like this. And this feels more and reads more. It is a coloring book, but it actually has the story. And so it follows the story like this. And it says Alice was beginning to get very tired of sitting by her sister on the bank and having nothing to do. Once or twice she had peeped into her book her sister was reading, but it had no pictures or conversations in it. And what's the use of a book, thought Alice, without pictures or conversations? So, I mean, it's really cute. And then it shows her with the rabbit. And these are just total pictures that you can just color, and then the story goes on. There's the caterpillar, and just on and on. And then in the very back, and I'm not sure why, it just has an illustration index. So in the back it has an illustration index that shows you all the pictures to color. And I thought these are so big and stuff, but if you wanted to do something with them, you could totally copy those illustration index and then enlarge or, you know, whatever. But look at this page with the cards. I love that. So yes, I'm Alice happy right now. That is, it's just very, very cool book. So, yep. Anyway, that was that. Then I picked up two of these little pink baskets with the handles on it. They're, again, more organization stuff. And then I found, whoops, I didn't mean to move the camera. I found just a few fall things that I needed. I did pick up two of these scarecrows. Yes, they had these last year's, but I used mine in project. And so I did pick up one of these because I wanted to use a project with it. And then I picked up some of these new leaves. These I liked better than the ones I saw the other day. These are burlap leaves, and so they have them in orange. And then they have them in the natural burlap color. And I thought these were really cool looking. I thought they were more realistic. And then I picked up some felt leaves. And these come in the red, yellow, brown, and orange colors. I'll take one set out and just show you the colors. So, and the other one fell. So they come like this. They have this autumn red and then the yellow. Oh, they actually have a green. And then they have the brown. And they have the orange. So those are really pretty colors. And then they have this shape here. And the rest of them are the same. It's just the different shapes of the leaves. So I thought this would be fun to do a little project with. And then I picked up one of these for my friend in PA. The words, the metal words that says thankful, harvest, and welcome. Picked one of those up for her. And I found these napkins. And they don't have anything right here, but I love the border on here. And I thought, I bet these would make lovely cards because you have plenty of room to stamp a sentiment right here. And then you have the border here, so watch for those coming soon. And then I picked up something for my kiddos to do for the fall. It's a foam craft kit, and it's like a Horn of Plenty. And so it comes with everything you need. Of course, it has the felt Horn of Plenty. And then it has all the little stickers and stuff. And then you just punch them out. They're already cut and everything. And I thought this would be awesome for them to do for Thanksgiving. Little craft, very inexpensive little craft. And I thought, well, that's just too cool. Let me do that for them. So, that is my haul, ladies and gentlemen. Tell me what you think your favorite thing was. I know what my favorite thing was. It's that Alice book, the new one I found. And I was really happy to find these too because, like I said, I really wanted to finish this little album that I'm working on. And it's really hard to finish when the pages don't work right. So I'm going to be revamping those, and you'll see those later. Like I said on Monday Morning Coffee Live, I'm not sure what I'll get out this week, just because I did not get to really craft this weekend. About the only thing I did was color some images and did some things for a card. So I just really didn't feel up to it this weekend. So I apologize for that. But you guys have been so gracious, and I got so many wonderful little messages. And thank you so much for all of those. I really appreciate it. It warms my heart to know that y'all care about me. And I want you to know that I care about you as well. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me for Dollar Tree Tuesday. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you've not done so. Alright guys, thank you so much for joining me. And I will see you all again soon. Bye!